If you could take my pulse right now, it would feel just like a sledgehammer. If you could feel my heartbeat now, it would hit you like a sledgehammer.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I got sent some LED lights for my car. This is 2012 Chevy Cruze. And I've been wanting to convert this thing to LED. If you know me at all, I converted my motorcycle to all LED, and now this guy's next. So here are the light bulbs. They were sent to me by JDM. They are an LED bulb manufacturer, and that's pretty much what they do. So I was excited when they reached out to me and wanted me to install some LED lights. These are some turn signal LED lights, and I have also some brake lights as well. So that's gonna be pretty sweet. We're gonna install those today. I have been wanting to do this a long time. As I said, my motorcycle, like I love LED lighting, and this car is new enough to, it's like, it should have LED lighting, but it wasn't sold with it. So today I'm gonna convert all to LED. The headlights I already did, and the fog lights I already did as well as the interior cabin LED lighting. So let's get to it. I don't think this should take too long, but we'll see how it goes. There it is. Oh my gosh, that took a long time. Those clips are tiny too. Oh my gosh. Before doing this, I did verify that there's enough room in this bucket here to actually have a resistor. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm running out of daylight, so I'm doing this pretty quickly. I freaking love these. Let's see how the brake light works. Are they working? I can't tell. Oh, I can see them. Yep. Bro, they look so good. All right, so there you have it. My car is completely LED now. This is such a happy day for me. Like 100% LED. And I could not be happier. So again, I used the JDM bulbs for this. They worked absolutely brilliantly. I mean, they fit well. They look like they work perfectly. The lights are in the description below if you want to check that out. I couldn't be happier. But guys, my car is all LED now. This is so cool. So anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Just look at that. That looks so good. Look at that. I just want to say thank you one more time to JDM. Seriously, a great company to work with. I could not be happier with the LED lighting. So, all right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.